Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quick fix error PDF document could not be printed. So if you want to print a PDF document but then you're facing some error or you can add or the file cannot be printed, you can try to solve it with some of the solutions. So first you can try to update your PDF reader. So you need to ensure that you have the latest version of Adobe Reader or another PDF reader. You can also find it on the Microsoft Web Store, for example, Microsoft Store. You can find any PDF reader that you want. And then you can try to check the printer connection and settings. You can check for physical connection, verify that the printer is connected to your device securely, and you can also check the printer driver. Make sure that the printer driver is up to date and functioning correctly. And you can also go to the printer settings. You can check for the paper size, orientation, and other options. And the third one is that you can try to print it as image. So some complex PDF may cause printing issues. You can try the PDF as an image. You can open the PDF in Adobe Reader, go to File, Print, and click on Advanced, and then check the Print as Image options. Or you can try to convert PDF to another format. For example, you can try to convert the PDF to a different format like a Word document or image. You can also use online converters or use an app like Adobe Reader. So I'm going to just, for example, PDF to Word. Okay, or you can just, I'm going to just change it into image, for example, converter. Like this, you can just find it here. For example, I'm going to use this I love PDF. You can just select the PDF files that you want to print. This one, you can click on open. So this is the file. You can see I'm going to convert it to JPG. Click on convert to JPG. And now you can download the JPG image. Still downloading up here. Okay, once done, you can just open the files in here. Click on this folder icon to show it in the folder. Okay, so now my PDF here has been converted into an image. Now you can just click on the PDF, and then here you can print it directly from here. You can just click on this printer icon at the top and then print your document, PDF document. And the last result, you can restart your device and printer, because a simple restart can often resolve the temporary glitches. So if these quick fixes don't work, you might need to troubleshoot further, such as checking for corrupted PDF files, updating your operating system, or consulting your printer's manual. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.